Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna tell you how you can easily set up a VPN on your brand new iPhone. So actually this process on every single iPhone is the same. Now first open the settings and now scroll down to the general over here. Now scroll the way down. Here the fourth option is the VPN and device management. Tap it. Here tap on VPN. You can enable this VPN over here using the switch, and here you can tap Add VPN configuration. Here, as you can see, we have this type, and if we click type, we can set it to different types. For example, IPSec, L2TP, and ITE V2. Here we have, as I can see, description, server, remote ID, and local ID. Here, as I can see, we have user authentication, for example, username and password, and we can enable the HTTP proxy to manual auto or off. Here, if we, for example, set any configuration, wait a moment, here we will have it like device, for example, VPN. We can tap this information icon to see the details. As you can see, we can edit or delete this VPN. And that's it. I hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!